Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and in this tutorial I will show you top 5 hidden tricks on this smartphone, so enjoy watching! Here's I'm gonna show you pro tips for your smartphone. I've been tested this device for a little while and I think I can show you the most important features based on my personal use of this device. So let's do it together and open the settings. Sorry for that. And the first hidden trick is in the display section. Now you can use the extra brightness. Samsung Galaxy device gives it to you. I hope other major brands will take example from Samsung brand, because not all of the smartphones gives you a possibility to increase the maximum brightness on your smartphone. You can see the red field here. It's the extra brightness. So for example, you are outside during a very shiny day and you can see anything on your display, then you can use this option to increase the brightness much more. I can tell you that you will see everything on your display and it won't happen that your brightness is too low. So yeah, you can enable it here, or you can open the tab menu and hold your finger on the brightness slider. Then you will have these three options and one of it is extra brightness. So yeah, click done. Now we have the other thing in this settings, the motion smoothness. You have to make sure that you enable the adaptive motion smoothness, so it gives you up to 120 Hz of screen refreshing rate, which is a good amount, and it gives you the smooth animations and scrolling is just better. We can clearly see it on the preview here. On the left we have 120 Hz refreshing rate. On the right we have the standard refreshing rate. It gives you up to 60 Hz. This is a very low amount. You can see it here. It's the scrolling is looking worse than on adaptive, and it hangs, it lags sometimes. So I prefer to use adaptive feature, and you should do it also. Remember that it will decrease the battery usage of your smartphone, but on the adaptive one your smartphone will detect that you have a low battery and it will decrease also the screen refreshing rate to save you some power. So yeah, that was it, and this was the second trick. Make sure also in these settings that you enable this accidental touch protection. It is a very important thing, because if you have your smartphone in a bag or a pocket, then it won't miscall someone, type some messages by mistake, or open some applications you don't want to. Your device just be locked and it won't unlock for some reason, or it locks by itself if you put it in a bag or a packet. So yeah, it's very helpful, trust me. I used a lot of smartphones and this feature is one of the best features I have seen while using these major brands, smartphones, etc. The second option here, it's touch sensitivity. It increases the touch sensitivity of the screen when you're using the screen protector. In my case, I don't have the screen protector, so I don't have enabled this option, but you should do it if you're using a protector. So yeah, that was the first tricks. Now let's get to the advanced features, because we have here the side button feature, and here we can enable the double press camera. So double pressing the power button, I mean the side key here, yeah, it opens the camera in a fastest way that is possible on this smartphone. Of course, if we lock the screen and we set up correctly this icon here, we can open the camera like this by sliding this icon to the middle of screen. But if you enable this option, you can just double press the power button and your camera will be open in a second. So if you want to capture something and you have a very low amount of time because I don't know, some cute dog runs away, then it's very helpful and you should make sure that you enable it. And also you can set up in these settings the long pressing power button, and if we get into this option here, we can see the digital assistance by Google, and we can see the Samsung Galaxy Assistant and it's called Bixby. We can also enable the power off menu by long pressing the power button. This recommended method is using digital assistance by Google. For me, it's better. I can tell you, in my professional opinion, the Google Assistant is much better than Samsung Bixby. But if you like Bixby, then of course enable Bixby, because it's the same situation like Apple devices and Android devices. It's all of the personal preferences. So I'm leaving the Google Assistant, and yeah, that was it. Now let me show you the another thing, and you should get into the apps. Sorry, not apps, the device care, yeah. And here you can optimize your device by closing the background applications, by decreasing some settings, by scanning your device for some viruses or some storage issues. It will optimize all of it. At the end, you can see the battery condition, the storage that you have left, the memory, and of course, if the alright, we don't have the application protection, we can turn it on, so we can scan our device in case of some malware or viruses. It will check all of the applications and installed apps. It may take a while, so this is a very helpful. It's good to sometimes scan your devices because we live in times that viruses aren't that rare. So no threats found is the end notification. So you should do it from time to time. Let me tell you that this is very, very important. Take care of your device always. And I think the last thing right now I can show you, I don't remember, is it in accessibility or general settings? Let me check it. Give me a second, please. So yeah, you should get into the security and privacy settings. Here we have to wait for a while. Now you should get into the more security settings and security folder, secure folder. So this is a place when you can place your applications, some data that you wish to protect from the eyes of another person. And this is good because we all have our personal data we wish to keep safe. This is the folder that helps you with it. So to use a secure folder, we have to first set a PIN, password or pattern for our phone. So let's get into the settings. I think I will use the pattern. So now I have decided which pattern I wish to use. Click continue and draw it another time. Confirm it. Now press done and continue to secure folder. And cancel it. Alright, so I can only make this secure folder by using the Google account, email or phone number, or sign in with QR code. Maybe I click this. No, I don't want to create now the Samsung account or sign in by using one of these options. But after you sign in, then you will have the secure folder visible on your home screen, and you can add anything to it, and by using the pattern that you draw for your secure folder, that would give you an access to it, and then you can manage the hidden folders, applications and data in this place. So that was all of it. I wish that was all of the hidden tricks that I wish to show you. Leave a like please if you get any information from this video. Also leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.